Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone model and at least 500 MB free storage. This prevents partial downloads and install failures. Once done, plug the device into power and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network so the update won't stall. Now go to Settings, tap General, then Software Update to force a fresh check. You're prompting Apple's servers to reevaluate your eligibility rather than relying on cache status. If it still shows iOS is up to date, proceed to the next corrective steps. You should restart the iPhone now. A reboot clears transient errors that make updates appear unavailable. Next, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings and sign back in to refresh activation and eligibility checks. This can resolve account-related misreports. If Wi-Fi or download problems persist, reset network settings to eliminate corrupted configurations. Note that saved Wi-Fi passwords are removed, but your apps and data remain intact. After these actions, return to Software Update and attempt the check again. If on-device checks fail, connect to a Mac or PC and open Finder or iTunes. Choose Update to install the latest iOS without erasing content. If update fails repeatedly, move to Recovery Mode or DFU as a last resort. DFU reinstalls firmware and iOS and can fix stubborn mismatches. Finally, make sure Apple's system status is green and try another trusted network or computer. If none of this works, contact Apple support. The key tip: use Update first to avoid unnecessary data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.